guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I am trying for the very first time the EYESCREAM beauty box. This is a monthly beauty box subscription that I was kindly sent in PR, so thank you so much to the EYESCREAM beauty box team for sending these items my way. Some of these are brands that I have not tried before, so I'm really excited. One thing I'm really excited is the Ladybug Glow End of the Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I've seen already a couple people create looks with it, and it just looks so, actually let me take off the plastic before I show you guys. This just looks so cute. I absolutely love it. I love Ladybug Glow. I love their formula. We also get a liquid highlighter in here. We get an Ofra blush bronzer combo in here. There's a lipstick, and there is also a makeup primer. So this is going to be like a quick get ready with me video. I really want to focus on the palette. Unfortunately, I'll only be able to create one look today, but I'll try and do another one as a YouTube short or an Instagram reel. Just to give you a total, so the box itself with the products included is $25. Every product, so let's take for example the eyeshadow palette retails for $30. The highlighter right here retails for $35. The redness correcting primer retails for $22. The Ofra blush bronzer combo is $29, and the lipstick, the Bliss Velvet Dream lipstick, or Dream Stick I should say, by is it Stina Face, retails for $12 for a grand total of $128, but you're only paying $25. So not bad. I don't have any affiliate codes. This is my very first time receiving PR from them, but I'll have them linked in the description box in case you want to check this box out, because it looks pretty cute. I mean, Ladybug Glow is in it, and I love the brand, so why not? If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of any of these brands or a fan of the EYESCREAM box, maybe you subscribe already, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, everything's going to be linked in the description box. Let's get ready together for the day. If y'all want to see the new March EYESCREAM beauty box in action, keep on watching. So let's start first with a primer. This is ZC, I think that's how you pronounce it, multi-effect makeup primer. It also says it's going to be a redness reducing primer. I'm just gonna squeeze some out. Yep, it's green, so it's gonna be a redness reducer. I feel like I have a big like pimple right there, but it's like under the skin. It's like one of those that hurts, if you know what I mean. Felt it coming on yesterday. This feels really nice. Very soft, but creamy, blendable. Feels like it's melting into the skin, and I don't smell any fragrance with it. Now I'm going to go in with my Givenchy Prisme Libre Skin Caring Matte Foundation. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Love is the Foundation brush to apply. Now I'm going to use the corresponding concealer, also from Givenchy. Using my BK Beauty A506 to spread that out. All right, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this liquid highlighter, but I will be sure to swatch it in the video. I'm not even too sure as to what I'm wearing to work today, but if it's something that's kind of like a V-neck or shows my décolleté, then maybe I can apply it there. But since the bronzer and blush are both powder, I don't know how they're going to mix. So I'm done with my cream products. I think both the foundation and concealer went on top of the primer very nicely. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Professional to set my face. Now I'm going to do a little Givenchy setting powder to set the under eye and T-zone. Okay, so next we're going to go into this blush bronzer combo from Ofra. I don't remember the last time I've had an Ofra product in my stash. It's been a number of years, and I think the last product I had was a highlighter, and I liked it. So I have high expectations for this one. I'm going to use my BK Beauty and Nikki LaRose N15 brush to start applying the bronzer. This bronzer seems to be a really nice shade. I feel like it's a product where you could probably just kind of swirl in and use both at the same time, but I would do that primarily just for the cheeks. But I won't do that today because I want to try it each on their own just to see their true shades. Okay, now let's dip into the blush. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Ooh, super pigmented. Let me take some off. Okay, guys, so I'm loving the blush bronzer combo. I think it's looking really good. Like I said, I think you can swirl in, especially when you're just doing something quick out the door, especially for your cheeks, and just use them both together. I'm really not sure that I want to go in with the highlighter. Let me give it a good shake. Let's see what it looks like. I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand. There it is. Yeah, I don't know. It's a pretty color, but I don't want to risk it lifting the foundation or blush or anything like that, but it's actually really pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna use it. Like I said, I don't want to mess anything up. I'm gonna use the little mini My Dream Glow blush palette, and I'm just gonna use the highlighter from this one. This is from Natasha Denona. All right, guys, I'm loving the way this complexion has turned out. I think everything looks really good. Let me go take care of my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back. And I'm so excited. We're going to dive into this new Ladybug Glow End of the Rainbow palette. All right, guys, so brows are on, and I've already primed my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow primer. Here is the cute color story that we're working with today. I want to say I'm wearing a purple top. Actually, I think I need to change into, because I'm doing a couple other commercials, but I think I need to change. I'm going to do purple and perhaps green today. So what I think I'm going to do is start with this shade and then go down, use these two shades for sure, maybe even the shade in the crease, not the crease, but the outer corner, and then we'll take it from there. This first shade is called Hope, and the second one is called Cloudy. And I'm taking the shade Hope on a Game Beauty E01. Wow, that is a beautiful shade. You know, I didn't expect this shade to be this dark. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter. So I don't know that I'm going to necessarily go in with the shade Cloudy after this. All right, now on a BK211, I'm going to go in with this shade down here. This one is called Clover. All right, so now that we have our two matte shadows down, I think I'm going to go in. I think we have to do this purple, right? This one is called Dreamy. I'm taking Dreamy on a Game Beauty E04. I'm going to add a little bit more of that darker shade just to blend. I'm also going to bring back that first shade a little bit. All right, now for the lower lash line, I'm looking at this shade right here. You would think I'd be looking at the green, but this looks interesting. I mean, and so does Cloudy. I don't know. I think Cloudy might be a little too a little too cloudy, a little too drab for this look. I want to try this, possible. I'm going to see how that looks on the lower lash line. I'm using a BK A504 to apply. I like that. I think that looks cute. Now we just need to do something for the inner corner. And I think I'm going to do the shade Magical. I'm using a damp Rephr 03. Okay, guys, I'm liking this look. I'm probably going to have to do lashes today, but let me take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. And then I'm also going to come back with the lipstick. Let me just show you real quick what the lipstick looks like. It is this right here. This is the Stina Face lipstick, and this one is in the shade 01 Bliss. Let me just swatch it on the back of my hand. That'll tie in nicely with the blush and that lower lash line. So I'll be right back and I'll wrap up today's video. All right, guys, so here is the completed look. I used the Smashbox, what is it? The Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. I use a little bit of Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner on the top lash line. I'm using I'm using my Shop Miss A Alexis lashes. And for the lower waterline, I went in with a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade, I think I put it away. Here it is. This one right here. This one is in the shade Berry Goth. The lippy is very creamy. It feels very good. I like the way it looks, the way it coordinates with the palette and the blush and the bronzer. For $25, guys, this box is a no-brainer. It's worth over $100. It's worth $128 if you were to buy everything individually, and you're only getting it for 25 bucks. I think this has to be one of the best beauty box subscriptions that I've ever tried. I cannot wait to create another look with the End of the Rainbow palette from Ladybug Glow. You guys know I love the brand, I love the formula, and I love the 9-pan palettes. I'm liking the Ofra blush bronzer combination. You can see Sister's Tail in frame. I will have to try on another occasion the liquid highlighter, so don't worry about that. I'm loving the lipstick color. And the primer seems to be laying really well underneath the foundation and concealer. Overall, I'm going to give the Ice Cream Beauty Box for March 2 big thumbs up. Very happy. Thank you guys so much for sending it to me in PR so that I could try out for all of you out there in case you were curious about this beauty box subscription. Now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this box? Do you think it's worth the $25? I sure do. Everything is a full-size product, but let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.